Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to another dope. And today we're doing a very unnecessary, very weird sound comparison. So I have two ULTIMEA sound systems. This is the Solo B30 Pro. This is the soundbar for the Aurora A50 Pro. But here's the but though. This soundbar comes with a subwoofer, which is over there, which is disconnected, and two surround sound speakers, which are also disconnected. So I'm just testing soundbar by itself versus soundbar by itself. Main difference is this soundbar has two speakers for your forward facing and one subwoofer under here, whereas this speaker has three forward facing speakers but no soundbar. So there's a speaker here, here, and right here. I hope you could see it. Right? So those are your three speakers inside of the soundbar. I know this is not a fair comparison, but I just wanted to see what it sounds like, just to see how clear this audio is, if there's any bass that comes out of this. So I'm gonna begin by connecting this. Right? Hopefully that turns the Bluetooth on. Bluetooth should be connected. Bluetooth connected. And I'm going to play my audio beginning at, let's say, 40 and going up to, let's say, 50. Now, again, the two surround sound speakers for this is not connected and the subwoofer is not connected. This is strictly soundbar for soundbar comparison. So let's go. I'm going to rewind this and go. As you can see, it's pretty loud, pretty clear, no bass, zero, zilch of a bass, but mids and highs, pretty clear. I guess if you want to be a mids and highs guy, you could just get this by itself, hook it up to your TV, blast off, have a good time. If you want a little bit of bass without the big subwoofers and the surround sounds and all that kind of stuff, let's see what this has to offer. So I'm going to turn this off, turn this on. Bluetooth connected. All right. Let me double, triple check that. Come back over here, slide back over here, hit the solo, make sure solo is good. Volume set well. Let's start the volume off at 40. All right, volume set to 40. Moving this up to here, come back into the song that we're going to be using. All right, so again, 2.1. The 0.1 means a subwoofer on the bottom, two speakers on the front. This is a 5.1, three speakers on the front, two surround sound speakers on the back, and a subwoofer. Those two on the subwoofer, as I said before, not connected. This is a standalone with two fronts and one subwoofer. Let's hear what this sounds like. Difference a little bass makes. You see how amazing our songs? Again, I know, not a fair comparison. This has a subwoofer. This is designed to be worked or be used with all these different elements. I know, not a fair comparison, but we just want to see soundbar by soundbar how it stands by itself. All right, not a fair comparison. So let's continue. So yeah, I guess the main thing I want to showcase in this video is that Ultimia, they have spent the time to build different speakers for different environments for different use cases. If you want a home surround sound system, they have that for you. If you want a small speaker system that's plug and play, one standalone unit that gives you a good audio, they have this for you. So, you know what? I like a fair sport. I like people to fight in their weight classes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook this up to everything that it comes with, and let's just see what it actually sounds like. You okay with that? All right, hold on 1 second. All right, before the fight was fixed, now the fight is how it's supposed to be. This is and what's my guy name again? Who's Anthony versus what's that fight coming up? And whatever. So it's a fair fight now. Everybody's fighting in their weight class. Ultimia, as you can see, I have the subwoofer hooked up. Surround sound speakers in the back hooked up. So I'm gonna start off with this first, so you can hear what it sounds like. Then I'll play this Ultimia, which is again connected to the subwoofer, 2 surround sounds in the back, and with the 3 surround sound speakers in the front. Let's see what that sounds like. So bring the video back. Let's go. Not a bad day in the office if you got that guy. All right. So turning this bad boy off, turning this bad boy on, double triple checking. All right. Aurora A50 Pro connected. All right. Volume. Now let me bring this volume down because I'm about to get a little bit louder here. We'll start off at 40. Crank it up. Let me get back to my video. Bring my video back. Let's go. I hope the microphone is picking up the speakers in the back. I hope you hear how the clarity and the synchronization of all the speakers is. Oh my God, let's go. Now bass kicked in, all right. So again, Ultimia has built speakers for any environment, any use case you want. You want that loud home surround sound speaker, they have you covered. They want the smaller speaker for the office, they have you covered. Hopefully, eventually, they begin to make speakers for when you leave the home. Trust me, I've been knocking at the door begging them to make that. That would eventually come, hopefully, at some point in time. They have you covered when it comes to whatever you're looking for. A little smaller, more powerful, more surround sound. And this is not even the best Ultimia speaker. Trust me when I tell you, I got something crazy coming from Ultimia. And when I get that, you will be amazed by it. So again, I'm just gonna start this video back from the beginning and just let it play off for like a minute so you can hear how great this audio sounds. Let's go. You know what? I didn't even have the EQ set to music. You know what's even crazier? I didn't even have the EQ set to customize. Let me play customize. This is my little concoction, my little razzle dazzle. Let me bring this back because it gets a little louder, my little mix up. I'm gonna start it back from the beginning. I like the beginnings, all right? And all right, so we have that up and loaded. Where's the video? Come on. Do you hear the difference? Do you hear? Come on, man. bass is falling off the speaker. Tenderism. I would never toss my glasses. That's just craziness. That's just pure madness. But anyway, you gotta admit, pretty dope. Pretty dope that ultimately have you covered with respect to whatever range of speaker you're looking for. Again, it wasn't initially a fair fight. Hopefully I made it a fair fight with respect to each speaker fighting as designed, so you can hear how great the overall audio quality is. You gotta admit, pretty dope. All right, let me put my house back together. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Until next time, see you guys.